This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in this video. Listen, they're claiming that the Dow Jones is slipping because Apple and Google had a sell-off. They're also claiming it's because Powell said there'll be rate cuts, but they won't be coming as soon as the market wants. And while these might be contributing factors, in my opinion, that's not why the Dow is down. The Dow is down because of those strikes at the ports all over the East Coast and in the Gulf, okay? And this is just my opinion. I know that I'm dumb money, and we don't know what we're talking about. We don't know how to analyze. We don't know how to come to conclusions. All we do is close our eyes and throw darts at the board, and wherever the darts land, that's the stocks that we invest in. But guess what? We have become a lot more sophisticated over the last 48 months. We've learned a lot over the last 48 months. And while the Apple sell-off, which I believe might have to do with the port, the Google sell-off, I believe, has to do with the port. Powell suggesting that the rate cuts are coming, but not as fast as people would like. I don't think that had anything to do with the Dow. Now, I won't say crashing, but dropping a lot on Tuesday. This is the port strike. The port strike makes the value of everything else go up, because unlike the stock market, there is real supply and demand when you're dealing with the ports. If there's nobody at the ports allowing the goods to come in, then the supply goes down. And when the supply goes down, demand for the product goes up and the price goes up. But that has a bad effect on the market. Okay? It has a bad effect on the market. Consumers going to end up paying more. But consumers are also going to be very picky about how they spend their money. And because of the strike in the ports, I believe, and this is just my opinion, that is why the Dow is down so much on Tuesday. Could Powell's speech contribute? Yes. Could Apple and Google contribute? Yes. But I think the ports are contributing to Apple and Google going down in price. The bottom line is this: when you shut down all the ports on the East Coast, the ports on the Gulf Coast, you don't think that's going to cause a disruption in the market? I mean, that is a major disruption in supply. I mean, that is a major supply disruption. And I believe that the longer this strike takes, the worse the market's going to get. So I believe, and this is just my opinion, that the government's going to step in and force them to come to some type of agreement. I believe the government's going to force them to come to some type of agreement, because it is going to have a devastating effect on the market. What are we, 36 days away from the election? They don't want those kind of problems. They don't want those kind of problems. But anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Do you think the Dow is down because of Powell, because of Apple, because of Google, or because of that strike at the ports along the East Coast and the Gulf? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.